Here I'll describe how to use SPSS Chartbuilder to create graphs. So this assignment is to be done for data sets from Chapter 5. So first I'm going to go find that data. I want to open some data that's already there. And you'll notice when I open Chapter 5 that there are multiple data sets. And that's because when you're making a graph, you want the graph to fit the type of data. So you'll need to read Chapter 5 in Kim and Mallory to understand the types of graphs that are appropriate for different types of data. I'm going to show you one graphic, and I'm going to show it to you for creating the scatter plot. And so for a scatter plot, we want to have a scale variable, or what we think of as continuous variables, for looking at how those variables are related to each other in a scatter plot. So let's go ahead and open our data here. And you see that we have a measure of weight, a measure of height. Weight is in pounds, height is in inches, and that these are continuous variables, which are described as scale variables, not categorical variables. So to request a scatter plot, you go to Graph, click on Chartbuilder. We've set these measurement levels properly, so we're in good shape with that. Numeric and scale measures. So here we have Chartbuilder open. So in order to do the scatter plot, we click on that type of graphic. And typically, you'll be choosing, at least at these earlier stages of analysis, you'll be choosing the most simple type of graphic. So we simply drag that up here. And then we need to decide which variable we'll put in each axis. And I like to think about which arrangement will be most intuitive for understanding what the results mean. And because height is tallness, I'm going to put that in the vertical column, and weight I'll put in the horizontal column. This is not your data that's being displayed here, it's just this generic picture. So in order to be able to see your data, you need to click OK. And here we see our graph. I'll make it a little bit larger. With height here, weight here, and we can see that as people get taller, there's a pretty strong tendency for them to get heavier, as we would expect. And we see this linear association in this arrangement of dots. So that is how you create a graph using Chartbuilder, and you can use this to make charts, the other types of charts requested in this assignment.